Today we're making some more viral air fryer recipes. I'm gonna be the rubber. I'm Peppa Pig.
Don't forget to download the video.
Check out this beautiful cheesy toast. Welcome back to our kitchen. Let's make some cheesy toast. For this recipe, all you need are 2 slices of bread and cheese of choice. We have the tasty cheddar and mozzarella. We're gonna do a combination. We need it extra cheesy. Yeah? Yep. Yes, enough cheese. Squish the cheese on top to make space. Now, we close it up. Basically, we want to slice them nicely, but then not fully slice them. The bottom bread is intact. No pressure. Oh. Your hands. And then you need some garlic butter, which I have prepared earlier. Homemade garlic butter. It's a little bit melted. So I just mixed room temperature butter with minced garlic and parsley and then seasoned it with salt. I feel like a Korean cafe would be serving something like this. The crevices?
Yeah,
why not? We've got more like that. Just let it sink into the grooves.
Yeah.
Oh, a little bit more for good luck, because garlic butter brings luck and nice breath to scare the vampires away. Now a seamless transfer onto our sheet. Oh.
It actually looks nice on the sheet.
This could be one of those like no talking ASMR and like you just cut my head off and it's just hands. It's just like.
We should probably film these aesthetic stuff after it's done.
You're gonna cook this for 7 to 8 minutes at 180 degrees.
Let's go.
There's nothing better than the smell of toasted garlic bread.
Yes.
Everyone grab a square. Oh, that cheese pull. Everyone just grab a quarter.
Find the easiest one to pull out.
Oh!
It's fine.
It's gone.
I ate the cheese.
Cheers. What's not to like about this?
This could not go wrong.
Wow, I love the like texture of the bread. It's so like toasted.
It's toasted, but then still quite soft and gooey, and you've got that cheese in the middle. And obviously, when you have that first bite, you get that garlic butter. It's like the best. Did you eat this for breakfast?
You could, but then you'll just have garlic bread.
It's deadly.
It is so good though. It's probably like the best garlic bread I've had.
It's up there. Up there.
It is so easy to make, and I think that's what wows us even more. Wow. I would share this, but I'm a fatty.
Is that the homemade butter?
Yeah.
Homemade butter too.
Wifey material. Because this dish was so easy to make, and I really don't think anyone could hate this, right? And you really can't go wrong. This deserves a double thumbs up. Like if you can't cook, just make this. It won't fail. If you can make a toasted sandwich, you can make this. You don't even actually have to cut it. Cutting it is the hardest bit. Don't even cut it. This recipe has over 44 million views. So first thing is like score the chicken. Like how deep? Like that? I don't know why, but like raw chicken. I'm usually okay with raw chicken, but pregnant Tina does not love handling raw chicken. Wait, is that right? Am I doing it right? Or why do I feel wrong? For our spice mix, we have garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, and salt. Mix that together. We gotta tag team this. I'm gonna be the rubber.
So wrong. You're the rubber.
I'm gonna be the masseuse and you're gonna sprinkle on the seasoning. Get into all those nooks and crannies. Flip it. All right, that chicken is well massaged and seasoned. Okay, we're just gonna add in our mayo. Sweet chili sauce. We do the chinsu. Chili mayo vibes. Transfer the chicken into the air fryer. Now we smother the sauce on top. Okay, spread. I'm just trying to make a
as clean as possible.
as clean as possible so it's easy to clean this air fryer later. Okay. Now we're gonna pop it in the air fryer at about 200 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. Smells really good. My only concern about this is that the chicken could be dry because it's breast. Let's see. I feel like I got a dry bit.
I think I got a dry bit too.
I got a dry bit because that was like the corner bit. You can eat it, Lila? Oh, Lila likes it. She's going for seconds.
A little like a dehydrated.
Okay, wait, let me go again.
Better.
Actually, yeah.
Big one.
You got a big one?
Yeah.
Okay. Lila seems to really like this, even though it has a bit of a kick to it. I'm surprised. The middle part is actually quite juicy. It's just the edges are a little bit dry, but the flavor, the marinade, the spices, it tastes good. I want to make this with chicken thigh. Chicken thigh. We're just a chicken thigh family. Except for Lila. She's liking this one. What are we going to rate this one? She's just going to eat. She's not going to rate.
Double.
Lila's giving it a double thumbs up. I think I'm going to give it a one thumb.
Same. I'm
One
doing
thumb.
Give me a double.
Alf likes it. He's a lean, mean
I feel like
machine.
that sauce complements the breast. I feel like if it was thigh, it'd be too oily.
Is
too
it?
much.
I think if you did chicken wings like this, ooh, bang bang chicken wings. Yeah, bang bang chicken wings would be a double thumbs up. The sauce and the marinade, it's really good and surprisingly very easy because you don't have to wait that long.
Yeah.
Like just rub it on, smear it on, and then cook it, and you're good.
I think you just use this sauce on any type of protein would be good. Like,
Yeah.
right? It's the sauce and the rub that makes it extra yummy.
Here's a super easy way to cook salmon.
Air fryer lovers, I got the best salmon recipe for you. Cut salmon into bite-sized pieces, grate in ginger, salt and pepper, honey, oyster sauce, soy sauce, and the secret ingredient, Japanese mayo. Set it aside for 20 minutes. Air fry at 380 for 12 minutes. Optional, we can also make a glaze. Start with some soy sauce, add in some honey, ginger, and a little bit of water. Simmer for 2 to 3 minutes and thicken with a cornstarch slurry. Look at that.
I've got my chopped up salmon right here. Let's marinate it. We're gonna grate in some ginger, some salt, pepper, honey, oyster sauce, soy sauce, and the secret ingredient is Japanese mayo. And then we mix and marinate for 20 minutes. It smells good. It smells like a Japanese restaurant. Ooh. Set aside for 20 minutes, and then we can also make, what did she call it?
A glaze.
A glaze. For the glaze, we're using pretty much like similar ingredients to the marinade. Soy sauce. How much soy sauce?
I have no idea.
We don't know. Do honey.
Okay.
Grate in more ginger and a little bit of water. Now we're gonna cook that for 2 to 3 minutes and then add in our cornstarch slurry, which is cornstarch and water. Look at that.
Cheers.
Cheers.
I like this.
It's like perfectly cooked salmon. Not overcooked, still very juicy and succulent. The glaze is actually really nice. I feel like you definitely need to make the glaze because on its own, I mean, it's still got a lot of flavor, but the glaze just adds that perfection on top. That's an easy dinner.
It's really nice. It's like a really nice homey meal.
It's a solid salmon dish, definitely. Perfect for a bento box, guys. This is a no-brainer. This one is definitely double thumbs up. If you like it, you can have a bigger piece. 2 thumbs. 2 thumbs. Here, you become quite the foodie, Lila. 2 thumbs. 2 little cute thumbs. Boop. Boop. Now, if you don't have a campfire to make s'mores, this is the next best thing. You only need 3 ingredients for this. Choc chips, marshmallows, some crackers or biscuits. So we're just gonna do a layer of choc chips. Look how cute my choc chips are. They're like mini. It's raining choc chips. We don't have marshmallows, we have charmellows. Oh, our little dish is very deep. Should stand it up. Like that.
Oh, that's pretty.
It's kind of pretty. Though, do you reckon I
we
can
fit
fit one
one
more?
more?
Let's just try. Squeeze in. Just gonna spread these marshmallows out and tuck you in. But then now we've got an empty one. Should we put one
in the
more?
middle.
Oh man, this is like
Have it pop up a bit.
this. Like a flower.
Okay, okay.
It looks like a pig's nose.
Actually, it looks cute like this.
Okay, let's just do that then. This is going in for 5 minutes at 350 Fahrenheit. What's that in degrees? I don't know, I gotta Google it. 176. 175. Do 175.
I want to take a photo.
I was picturing like a beautiful blossoming flower, but somehow we made like a protruding snout.
It's as aesthetic as it will get.
We made a protruding pig snout.
I mean, it's kind of cute. Like, you know those unique cafes? Like,
It's got its own
Personality.
charm.
It's got
Yeah,
a
right?
personality.
Can you guys see how protruding that snout is? Bon appetit. Dip the snout.
yes, go.
I can't even hold it.
Ooh.
Wink, 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 wink. I'm Peppa Pig. It's just gonna loop around.
Oh. Wrap it. Wrap it like a blanket. Ooh, that chocolate.
I'll eat this one. You be the piggy. Ooh.
Cheers,
Cool down.
campfire, cheers.
Cheers.
It's just more.
Is that crunchy marshmallow?
You know campfire s'mores?
Yeah.
It's supposed to have a bit of a crust. This is actually a great way to make s'mores.
What's a s'mores?
What's a s'mores?
I've never heard of that word. What's a s'mores?
You know when you like have a campfire and you like toast the marshmallow on the campfire?
stick?
And then you squish it between like two
Biscuit and a layer of chocolate. And you squish it and pull it out.
We need to go camping. We need to go glamping
How
or
do you
something
not
to
know?
do this. Don't you watch American movies?
Evidently not.
Wow.
I don't even know what you're talking about. You're describing it to me.
But my finger is a stick with marshmallow and then you toast it on the fire. It's like a snack.
What happens to the stick?
You put a new one, put marshmallow and you go again.
It's so sticky though. Why is it so sticky?
Because it's a like melted marshmallow. Okay, there's so many questions thrown at us today that I did
feel
not
attacked?
expect. No, I don't feel attacked. I just feel like I'm not the marshmallow s'mores expert.
We're not
But I'm
expecting you to ask questions about s'mores.
Yeah, I
thought you would know.
I didn't want to get quizzed on this.
Hitting question.
I don't want to get quizzed
I'll
on
show
my
you
snack.
a photo so you get it.
That's right. I don't care.
Yes,
What?
you do.
No, you have to look at it now.
Now,
'cause I
I
feel
feel
like you have to understand this like that, and you grab it and you pull it off.
See, it's kind of burnt. And
It's like a chocolate pie, like you know the Korean ones.
I like it. The only thing is we used a quite like a deep jar. We should have just like, sprinkled more chocolate on top so then we don't have to dip all the way to the bottom to get both the marshmallow and the chocolate. Otherwise, we can just do what we did and just spread it on. For this, you have to like forget about your diet and health star rating and just like overall health, okay? Rate it like you're a 5-year-old kid.
I'm going to rate it as normal. As me now, present me.
Brain is already 5-year-old. A double thumbs up. Guys, it's so good.
2 marshmallows up.
2 marshmallows up, 2 toasted marshmallows on my thumbs, squished between the biscuit.
I feel like it's a very like easy way to do s'mores.
Yeah,
Like,
it's
you
like
know?
foolproof. Easy peasy.
S'more cheesy.
S'more.
S'more mellowy.
We're not great at this.
Don't forget to download video.
I feel like you can't go wrong with air fryer recipes, at least most of the time. If you guys want to see more episodes, we do have a few up on our channel, so click the video on screen. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll speak to you guys next time. Bye! Lila fully knows routine.
Just like ready.
You're ready for YouTube? You've always been. You were born on YouTube,
You're a
basically.
YouTube baby, basically.
Where's Lila, guys? Where's Lila?
I found it.
You found me? You found them?
Yeah, I found it. Where's Lila?
Where did Lila go?
Where's Yaya?
Where's Lila? Where's Lila, Zen? We don't know.
I don't know. Is Lila outside?
Oh, she must be outside. We just gotta
Lila's
continue
outside.
eating.
Oh! Lila's here! I see